Strength and grace aren't just ideals, they're achievable goals for every woman. At Femme Fitness, we believe in creating workouts that celebrate the unique power and elegance of the female body. Whether you're looking to build strength, enhance flexibility, or simply feel more confident in your skin, our tailored approach is designed to help you thrive. Now, watch the video to learn more about how you can unlock your full potential with workouts crafted specifically for women's strength and grace. Let's embark on this empowering journey together. Welcome to Femme Fitness, your guide to tailoring workouts for women's strength and grace. Dive into a world where fitness meets femininity and discover how to sculpt a physique that's as strong as it is elegant. Here, we embrace the unique needs of women in fitness, offering a holistic approach that marries strength training with flexibility and mindfulness. In the world of fitness, the needs and preferences of women are often overlooked or misunderstood. However, women have unique strengths and goals that deserve specific attention in their workout routines. Femme Fitness acknowledges and celebrates these differences, focusing on enhancing both strength and grace. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the principles and techniques behind tailoring workouts specifically for women to achieve their fitness goals while embracing their femininity. Understanding women's fitness needs. Women's bodies differ from men's in various ways, including muscle mass distribution, hormonal fluctuations, and biomechanics. Therefore, a one-size-fits-all approach to fitness is ineffective. Tailoring workouts to specific needs requires a nuanced understanding of their physiology and goals. Strength training for women. Contrary to popular belief, strength training is essential for women and offers numerous benefits beyond just muscle growth. It helps increase bone density, improve metabolism, and boost overall strength and endurance. However, women may have different starting points and goals compared to men. Therefore, programs should focus on building functional strengths, targeting major muscle groups, and incorporating both compound and isolation exercises. Embracing grace in fitness. While strength is crucial, grace adds an extra dimension to women's fitness. Graceful movement patterns enhance flexibility, coordination, and posture, contributing to a well-rounded and elegant physique. Incorporating elements of dance, Pilates, and yoga into workouts can help women cultivate gracefulness while improving balance and body awareness. Tailoring workouts for women. Strength training. Develop a comprehensive strength training program that targets all major muscle groups, incorporating exercises such as squats, deadlifts, lunges, push-ups, and rows. Focus on proper form, gradually increasing weight and intensity over time. Cardiovascular exercises include a variety of cardio activities like running, cycling, swimming, or dance-based workouts to improve cardiovascular health and endurance. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, can be particularly effective for burning calories and boosting metabolism. Flexibility and mobility. Dedicate time to stretching and mobility exercises to improve flexibility and prevent injuries. Incorporate dynamic stretches, yoga poses, and foam rolling to enhance range of motion and joint mobility. Mind-body connection. Encourage mindfulness and mental well-being through practices like meditation, deep breathing, and visualization. Emphasize the connection between mind and body to enhance focus, reduce stress, and improve overall performance. Functional training. Incorporate functional exercises that mimic real-life movements to improve daily activities and prevent injuries. Include exercises that challenge stability, balance, and coordination, such as single-leg squats, kettlebell swings, and medicine ball rotations. Listen to your body. Encourage women to listen to their bodies and adjust their workouts accordingly. Pay attention to signs of fatigue, soreness, or discomfort, and prioritize rest and recovery when needed. Consistency and gradual progression are key to long-term success. Femme Fitness celebrates the unique strengths of women through tailored routines that emphasize both strength and grace. Understanding their needs empowers women to reach their potential while embracing femininity. With a holistic approach integrating strength, cardio, flexibility, and mindfulness, women build confident, graceful selves. Embark on this journey of empowerment. Click the link in the description to learn more about Femme Fitness. For more insights to women's health, visit dreamwise.com. Subscribe to this channel for continuous smart. Thank you for joining us on this journey to strength, grace, and empowerment. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tailored workouts designed just for you. Together, let's celebrate the power and beauty of every woman. Stay strong, stay graceful, and keep shining.